Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Moffett. Guys, we have a nice little project today. This is for anybody who needs a table. If they're out camping or fishing or outdoors or anywhere, they just need a light to medium duty table that folds up to practically no size at all and is very lightweight. And they don't need to spend a lot of money. In my case, I used a tripod for the main part of the table because I usually have one when I'm out and about because I like to take a lot of video and photos. So I have a very small, inexpensive Amazon tripod. It only costs about 15 bucks. I'll leave a link to it. And it folds up to a very small space. I think it only weighs like less, maybe a pound and a half, and very lightweight. And I was thinking, why can't I make it into a table? So I looked around the house. I had some stuff I was going to throw out, and I found a frame that has a motivational saying on it that I found in the trash one day, and I said, that'll make the perfect little table. So sure enough, I centered it, found the correct position for the center hole, and drilled it, and then I put some holes in the ends to attach cleats. Then I found a 1/4 inch by 20 machine screw to use in my tripod mount, the little mounting plate, and then I put that in the mounting plate. And then on the bottom of the tripod I found an eye bolt and put the eye bolt in the bottom center rod or center support. That was an attachment area that would allow me to attach a couple of lines to it. So the table or the piece of artwork goes on top of the tripod. There's a little machine screw that goes through the center of it with a little wing nut and a large washer, which was the hardest part to find. Big giant fender washer. And then I just took some line attached to the cleats, and they go down to the eye bolt on the bottom. And it makes it very snug and secure, tight table. You won't be using it in your shop to repair your outboard. But if you're just out and about doing photography, or you're just sitting by the canal, the bank, the lake, or whatever, and you just want something to hold your food and your gadgets and your gear, it's perfect. And when you're all done, it folds back up into practically no space at all. And the line that's on the tripod can wrap around the little frame, and so it makes it a snug little package to carry, and it's all kept together. It's simple, dead simple project. If you don't have a frame like I had, it's super simple to make. The dimensions on mine was about 9 inches by 20, and you have very light wood on the edges for the frame, and you could use very thin underlayment wood for the top. It's like I said, I think it weighs the artwork was probably about a pound and a half. So all told, I would think everything is under 3 pounds. So very zero maintenance. There's hardly anything to go wrong. You can buy tables for camping and so on for about 20-25 bucks. But if you have if you have a tripod, or even if you don't have a tripod, you can still find them at thrift stores for very little money, because usually the mounting plate are missing, and if you don't have the mounting plates, sometimes it's hard to find out what the replacement is for that particular model. You don't want to spend money and get the wrong one, so they just sit in the thrift store because nobody wants them. You can get them for very good prices, and then you would just drill a hole in the top for your machine screw. Or you could make, I have a video on how to make mounting plates, by the way, if you ever want to make one, if you can't find one, a replacement. But anyway, this is a very simple, dead simple project, and it's fun too. It was all, when it was done, I wasn't sure if it was going to work. It worked out pretty good. It's like I said, you won't be using it for use your shotgun as a mount out in the woods, but or like I said, repairing your outboard, but for just a little camping, or put food on there or supplies or whatever, it's a pretty good little table. All right, take care. See you out there.